Defense Chief Gibo Teodoro says illegal pogos have become a national security concern. This as more Chinese military uniforms were discovered inside a raided compound in Pampanga. Reniel Pawid has the report.
A new set of Chinese military uniforms were found by authorities on the 6th day of their search operations in the South 99 Pogo Hub in Porac, Pampanga. There were also combat boots found, as well as military badge.
Alam kung ito ba talaga katotohanan na ginagamit o binili lang kung saan o ginagamit lang sa cosplay o whatever. But we are not ruling na ginagamit na ito kagad dito.
On Monday and Tuesday, at least 6 sets of alleged Chinese military uniforms were discovered by authorities in the raided hub. The News 5 team showed photos of the uniforms to military expert Jose Custodio. And he said that these appear legitimate, but warned against jumping to conclusions.
They may be authentic Chinese uniforms, but doesn't necessarily prove anything. Kasi it could be said that, baka isa sa mga to military enthusiast, baka isa sa mga ito nagka-cosplay, o baka isa sa mga to nag-airsoft.
The Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission, or PAOC, suspects that this may have been used by what they call the torture enforcers. Recall that there were also torture equipment discovered in the Pogo Hub, where about 160 foreign nationals were rescued.
Kasi yan ang isa sa mga katangian. Pero ng mga enforcer, kailangan na may ex-military ka o kaya dati kang nasa serbisyo. Yun ang kinukuha nila mga taga-torture minsan, o kaya yung taga-kidnap, o kaya yung taga-gawa ng mga krimen para sa kanila.
The News 5 team also reports in an exclusive that PAOC found 25 bullets in Building 3 of the Lucky South 99 Pogo. The PAOC is now looking into whether there were killings inside the compound. This as they also found photos of dead bodies in the cell phone of the alleged Chinese Pogo torturer Wu Lifeng. PAOC confirms that they are now monitoring other Pogos in southern Metro Manila as well as Cavite. Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro now says the prevalence of illegal Pogos is a national security concern. He says we should stop the syndicated criminal activities operating out of our base, which weakens our financial standing and corrupts our society. But Teodoro emphasized that there are Pogos operating legally as well. In Congress, there is growing momentum for a bill to ban all Pogos outright, even the legal ones.
Oy, gusto ko pala mag-sorry sa sa Pokemon Go, saka sa mga Dallas fans.
Bakit?
Sabi ko kanina, mukhang magti-3-0.
Kala ko about Pogo.
Hindi, Dallas fans, mukhang magti-3-0, pero humabol na po ang Dallas. 3 points na lang ang lamang.
Oo. Tayo talaga yung nag-update sa kanila. Pero going back dun sa ating issue kanina, itong Pogo, yun nga, kanina din doon sa Cavite, dahil a lot of people actually are saying na i-check nyo yun, napakalaki daw ng Pogo Hub doon sa Cavite. Diba, i-check nyo legal ba yun? May permit ba yun? Meron ba mga underground transactions din dyan? Yun ang mga gusto ng malaman ng mga tao, diba, doon sa area na yun. At sinasabi nga ni Governor Remulla, he cannot comment doon sa regarding doon sa PAGCOR kasi yung kapatid niya nasa PAGCOR, diba? Pero sinasabi lang niya ay wala daw silang kinalaman dito. Binenta na daw yung pagmamayari nila, yung Island Cove na yun. At hindi daw sila protector nga nitong Pogo. And yun, napakarami, no? Kahapon, pinag-uusapan natin ang laki ng ginagastos ng government, no? Government na nagsushoulder doon sa mga gastos pag ang PAOC ay nag-grade ng isang hub. No? Like for example, itong Porac na ni-raid nila sa Porac na Pogo, ay yung mga biktima, bakit ka natawa? Di sinasabi ko lang yung mga biktima doon, yung mga ipapadeport, papakainin, and even itong mga Pogo workers daw kasi minsan nagkakaroon ng mga asawa or mga partners, tapos nagkakaroon sila ng anak. So kung ipapadeport yun, yung Pogo worker, naghahabol yung mga anak at saka yung asawa. So gastos din ng gobyerno yung, halimbawa pag na-hospital sila, tapos ito yung anak, yung asawa, naghahabol dun sa mga Pogo workers. So, kaya ang laki talagang issue nito, iban o hindi? Dahil parang yung target na Pogo tax from Pogo na gusto kolektahin noong 2021 ay hindi tutugma dun sa kinokolekta ngayon na sinasabi nilang 5 to 8 billion annually. Ang target nila 20 plus billion eh.
Layo pa rin.
Malayo pa rin. So, itutuloy mo ba to? Tapos ang daming mga illegal activities Bakit ka natawa?
No, kasi nawalan ka ng hinga kanina tayo.
Pero hindi, di ba? This is a very
No,
serious topic, itong Pogo na to. Dahil
Pinapakalma lang
ang
kita.
daming...
Ako, ban Pogo ako.
Di ba? Yung mga illegal
Not worth
activities
it.
like prostitution and a lot more. Human trafficking. Di ba? Kamusta naman yung mga biktima nito? Di ba? Kamusta naman sila?